Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the second part where we are going to study the relations of third and fourth part of the duodenum. So third part of the duodenum, this is the third part of duodenum. We are done with this first and second part. Now this is the third part of the duodenum, which lying horizontally and going upward and joining the fourth part of duodenum. This part is lying at the level of L3 vertebra and goes upward at the level of L2 vertebra and joins the fourth part of the duodenum. This third part of the duodenum is anteriorly covered with the peritoneum, while posteriorly it is retroperitoneal, as was the first and second parts of the duodenum. But in the midline, in this area, it is crossed by the superior mesenteric vessels. So anterior relation of the third part of duodenum will be superior mesenteric vessels and root of mesentery, which is attached to this part. While on posterior side, if you can see on the posterior side, you can see there is kidney. This is kidney. Kidney have a ureter which takes urine to the urinary bladder. Then we have aorta and we have inferior vena cava. And behind the kidney there are posterior abdominal wall muscles, which is psoas major. So posteriorly the relations will be right ureter, psoas major behind that, and then inferior vena cava and abdominal aorta. And also there is testicular artery passing posteriorly in males and ovarian vessels in females. And we have mnemonic to remember all of them. Upita, you can remember it by the upita, ureter, psoas major, and then inferior vena cava, testicular artery or ovarian, and then abdominal aorta. Now comes the superior relations. If you see, this is superior relation and this is uncinate process of the pancreas. I will tell you the parts of the pancreas. Uncinate process, head of pancreas, neck of pancreas, body of pancreas, and then this is the tail of pancreas. Superior relation of third part of duodenum will be uncinate process and head of pancreas. While inferiorly there are coils of jejunum, as fourth part is ending here, jejunum will start and jejunum will come like that. Jejunum will come like that. So they will form the inferior relation of third part of duodenum. This part is 10 cm long and it begins at the inferior duodenal flexure, while it ends by joining the fourth part of duodenum by going upwards. While for the fourth part of duodenum, it is the smallest part of the duodenum. You can see here it is the smallest part of the duodenum and it is 2.5 cm long. To remember its anterior and posterior relations, I make a mnemonic for them, that is, to my sweet love I gave real sympathy. To my sweet love I gave real sympathy. So to my sweet love is going to form the anterior relation and I give real sympathy are going to form posterior relations. Anterior relations, T for is transverse colon and M is going to be mesocolon, and then sweet S is for lesser sac and sweet S is for stomach and love is for the lesser sac. So transverse colon, transverse mesocolon, lesser sac and stomach, they are going to form the anterior relation. This is the fourth part of the duodenum. Transverse colon passing in front of it and mesocolon also passing in front of it. And lesser sac is in front of this fourth part and stomach is also in front of this part. While posteriorly, mnemonic is I give real sympathy. I stands for the inferior mesenteric vein, G for gonadal artery, and then R stands for renal artery, and S stands for sympathetic chain. Sympathy से sympathetic chain is easy to remember. You can see here. Okay, so here you can see this is fourth part of duodenum. On posterior side, inferior mesenteric vein is passing here. So fourth part of duodenum is in relation with this inferior mesenteric vein. Then it is lying on this kidneys and inferior vena cava, right? So left renal artery will be in the posterior relation, left gonadal artery will be in the posterior relation with it, and inferior mesenteric vein, while sympathetic chain we cannot see, but it is also in the posterior side of the fourth part of duodenum. While if you see superiorly of the fourth part of duodenum, this is body of pancreas, I told you, so superior relation is formed by body of pancreas, while its left relation is going to form by left kidney and left ureter. This is left kidney and left ureter. If you remember this mnemonic, to my sweet love I give real sympathy, you can easily remember the fourth part of duodenum. It is also covered anteriorly by the peritoneum, while posteriorly it is retroperitoneal.